Very long play.
It's going to be sunny tomorrow. Would make a change.
Yes. It was actually quite sunny today, though. I've just been to the seaside.
Yeah. Yeah. No. I just meant, you know, like from winter.
Yeah. Yeah, winter does get pretty cold.
Yeah. So, are you from around here?
Around where? When we're on a train?
Yeah. I just meant, are you from around London?
Oh, no, I get off a few stops up in St Albans.
All right. Lovely.
So where are you from?
I get off at East Croydon.
Lovely.
I'm Alex.
Lucy.
Oh, you left me standing in the bar all by myself! You didn't even acknowledge me! Mike wasn't going to be being sick as usual, and you left me! I can't believe we had to leave so fucking early just because Mike's such a lightweight! You don't value me!
Jay! I'm sorry. I didn't know what I was doing. I thought Mark had gone for a piss, and I did acknowledge you. You didn't look like that, because when I'm drunk, my eyes can't focus. So if I'm looking at that family planning clinic poster, I'm probably trying to look at you.
Really?
Yeah.
I started to be disrespected as a woman, a strong, independent
A strong, independent woman can't stand by a bar for 5 minutes of her life.
You say I don't have any friends.
No, look, I didn't know what I was doing. I went for a piss and I didn't mean to lose you. I was going to come back, I swear.
Really?
Yeah, after you.
Alright, be done for it.
I can hear those bloody kids from the carriage over again. Someone should tell them to watch the bloody language and stop the whining.
They're just having fun, George. Going out on the rares or whatever it is they call it nowadays.
What does the caddy calls it?
The lash, or the push, or was it the pull? Well, the lash and the pull, or both behave that way.
Our daughter does not behave like that, and if she did, she'd be off the inheritance.
We're like that, George. When we have fun.
We never behave like that, and besides, we have fun. What do you think we've been doing all evening? I suppose you'd rather be down the pub, wouldn't you? Getting drunk with your friends at the Crown, is that what you'd rather be?
I'd rather be with my lover in Oxford, George, but I suppose you know that.
Yes. Yes, of course I do.
The thing you have to understand about this remarkable expansion is that the more notable it becomes, the more doubt and suspicions arise from neighbouring hosts.
Therefore, discrediting the validity of said expansion.
And tainting, perhaps irreparably, the reputation of the possessor.
You really should be a writer if you can make up that amount of bullshit about Nicki Minaj's bum implants.
That's the dream.
Very good at it.
So what's your dream?
Well, I wanted to be a nursery teacher.
What's stopping you?
Sex offenders registry. I study law. Hopefully, I'll end up actually wanting to be a lawyer.
Oh, that would be good.
Shit! You know you've missed your stop by quite a long way.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I'm going to meet a friend in Bedford.
Bedford. From Brighton. Must be a pretty special friend.
Yeah. No, he's a male friend, like an old guy. No, but not like that. Not a boyfriend, no. Just like an old bud.
I see.
Look at all the cows. Minotaur.
Yes, well, there are loads of cows.
You thought they'd be asleep. No.
Cows sleep standing up, you dumb shit.
For 10 hours and you didn't even come and check on me. You just left me.
We just thought you looked for a shit or something.
Sit down, Buff.
You don't love me. You just want to hang out with him.
I do love you. I was so worried about you, and me and Bill were looking for you for ages.
Yeah.
We'll go back to mine tonight, yeah?
You didn't even ring me. You just left me, you bastard.
No, don't be like that. My phone's out of battery, and I thought you were still with Jack and
I left ages ago. So, what happened with that girl, mate?
What?
Well, fuck off. I saw you two. You were by the smoking area. I went for a cheeky vom. I had no idea where you were.
I was at the bar.
So, you were about to get on it. What happened?
Nah, mate. Nah. It wasn't me.
Oh, whatever. It was a dog anyway.
That's quite a good time.
Yes, we'll have to give Kelly a call. I know where him.
Yes, and we must tell her to go to that Jacobi fella. She'd like him.
Yes, it was extraordinary, Sam.
Remind me to decant the wine for when Jill and Gordon come tomorrow.
Of course, Dad.
Oh my God, someone's puked all over the floor.
Well, this is me. It was nice talking to you. You're not weird like I thought you were when you picked up the newspaper and sat down.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, if you're ever in St Albans,
Hope you're never in East Croydon, but if you are,
bye then.
right, mate? Yeah, no. I fell asleep and missed my stop. Yeah, some old ones, I know. Yeah, I'll get on the train and back in like an hour. Okay, bye. Bye.
Come on, love. You lied to me, you fucking ape.
Mike doesn't know what he's going on about.
Oh, yeah, right, like I believe you. I can't believe you just snapped some random skank. Maybe you should take down the number of that family planning clinic.
Well, it's not like it's any of your business anyway, is it?
Son of a...
I'm gonna be sick.